In the diagram of circle O shown, AB equals 6, BD equals 2, and AC equals 4. Determine the length of CE. Note the diagram is not drawn to scale. According to the secant segment length theorem, if two secants are drawn from a common external point, then the product of the length of one secant with the length of its external segment is equal to the product of the length of the other secant with the length of its external segment. That simply means the product of the secant, so the whole secant is 8, so it's the whole secant times its external part is equal to the whole secant times its external part. So the whole secant of 8 times the external part, which is 6, will be equal to the whole secant, in this case is x plus 4, times its external part, which is 4. Now, if you wish to have made the entire external segment, let's just say y, then the right side of my equation would have been the whole secant times the external part, which would have been 4, and then I'll figure out the missing part later. Either way, you will get the same answer. So I have 48 equals, don't forget to distribute your 4x plus 16, subtract 16 from both sides. So I end up with 4x equals 32, and divide by 4. 32. Divide by 4, so I end up getting x equals 8. So CE is equal to 8. Now, if I had done it the other way, I would have 8 times 6 equals y times 4. So that's 48 equals 4y. Divide by 4, and I get y equals 12. If y is 12 and I subtract 4, the external part, I will still get CE to be equal to 8.